Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification. Today we are going to make an Oreo mug cake in just 2 minutes. Now let's start preparing Oreo mug cake and it will be ready in just 2 minutes. Take 8 Oreos in a mug. Crush the Oreos using fork. Now we'll add half cup milk and mix, but we need to add milk gradually, so we'll keep adding little at a time and mix all the Oreos. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give a good mix. Batter is ready to microwave for just 2 minutes. Add Oreo into the batter and press it down. This is optional. You can skip, but the cake will be more soft, moisture and ready in just 2 minutes. Place the mug into the microwave and set it for 2 minutes. Now we have removed from the microwave. Use a toothpick and insert it and see. Now it has come dry, so it's done. Here I'm adding some chocolate syrup. Let's add some topping on the Oreo cake. I would prefer topping it with icing sugar and Oreo on the top of it. Let's try this yummy Oreo mug cake. Wow, it is so yummy, soft and moist. Please do try this and give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.